Everybody is always looking for the next big stock, and one of the most exciting industries to look at is biotech. If you follow the stock market and follow biotech companies, then you already know what is possible. So in today's video, I have an exciting immunotherapy company that is creating a helpful treatment in the fight against cancer and could disrupt the $147 billion cancer treatment market. I want to thank CERO Therapeutics for kindly sponsoring this video. This has been a very interesting company to look at the past few days. Before we get into it, if you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 300 likes on this video. Help me achieve that goal. For anyone that's new, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get straight into it. So as I said at the start of the video, I have an exciting immunotherapy company that is creating a helpful treatment in the fight against cancer that could disrupt the $147 billion cancer treatment market. This company has two major milestones coming in this year, which has made me take notice. And that company is CERO Therapeutics, ticker symbol CERO on NASDAQ. Now, this is a company that has only recently gone public onto NASDAQ after agreeing a merger deal with Phoenix Biotech Acquisition Corporation. CERO Therapeutics is an immunotherapy company advancing the development of next-generation engineered T-cell therapeutics for the treatment of cancer. Now, cancer treatments have come a long way in the last few years, and CERO is advancing a patented unique cancer treatment that destroys cancer cells. The company's powerful cancer treatment uses the most potent parts of our immune systems to create engineered cells that literally eat cancer cells. So this is not just another cancer treatment, it could be a helpful treatment that no other company has tried until now. CERO are focused on integrating the most recent insights from synthetic and T-cell biology to create a new generation of engineered T-cells for the treatment. And the company has plans to build out a broad pipeline of CER T-cell products, and we can see CERO's product candidates here. The company's lead product candidates are CER1236 for hematology and solid tumors, and these are still at a very early stages, but there is upcoming catalysts which I will talk about in just a moment. But first, let's have a quick look at the company's recent investors presentation from April 2024. You can find this investor deck on the company's website under the investors section. Now, this presentation is 53 pages long, so I'm not going to go into it in too much detail. I'll just look at what I consider to be the most important parts. Looking at the investment highlights, as it says here, CERO have this groundbreaking technology and have demonstrated preclinical tumor-killing capabilities for hematologic and solid tumor cancers, such as leukemia, lung cancer, and ovarian cancer. Now, this is important. They are entering the clinic with the plan to file an IND in the first half of 2024 in AML, leukemia. As I said already, CERO is already making major strides with two major milestones scheduled to happen this year. The first is filing this investigational drug application with the FDA, which will set them up to begin human trials. And on page 14 of the presentation, we can see the effects of a level 1 dose of CER1236 on mice. Now, clearly mice is one thing and human trials are a completely different ballgame, but the raw potential is very clear. And CERO have a clear IND approach, where observed efficacy may lead to rapid clinical development and approval, with the goal of 25 patients and a second IND in 2025 for solid tumor basket trial targeting ovarian cancer and lung cancer. Now, these are areas with clear unmet needs. And CERO already have several patents in the US and abroad. And looking here, we can see that there is several important milestones that lay ahead for 2024. But one important thing to mention is that CERO Therapeutics has an incredibly tight share structure with just over 15 million shares outstanding, which is currently unheard of among peer companies. This company has strong institutional investors who currently own approximately 20% of the company, with Arch Venture Partners owning almost half of that. Plus, the leadership team has kept a capital structure close to home, with the board and management owning 9.5% of the company. So it's always good to see when management's interests are aligned with shareholders through management ownership. And with key investments from leading investors and this highly experienced, successful team in place, this could make the difference. Like, look at the senior team here. This is a team that has come from major industry players such as Amgen and AstraZeneca. CERO Therapeutics is well equipped to take its unique cancer treatment to the next level. Nevertheless, clinical trials are capital intensive, and CERO does expect to need to raise capital frequently in order to meet its funding needs. Now, in recent weeks, CERO have provided an important update to shareholders, with the CEO saying that we have been diligently completing the preclinical studies and documentation tasks necessary to initiate clinical trials after acceptance of an IND application with the FDA. We are now diligently completing the IND enabling work from toxicology studies to completing manufacturing runs to meet GMP standards. All in the interest of submitting an application to the FDA in the near term. We anticipate providing status updates to our shareholders, including presentations at upcoming investor conferences, potential growth of our intellectual property portfolio, and progress on other programs beyond AML as they are made. We remain grateful to our shareholders and to the scientific community for its embrace of what we believe is game-changing science with significant potential to alter the way we treat cancer. So guys, what do you think of CERO Therapeutics? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Take a look into this company and let me know, do you agree with the CEO's comments? I want to thank CERO Therapeutics for kindly sponsoring this video. This has been a very interesting company to look at the past few days. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so I highly recommend you do more due diligence on CERO Therapeutics. It's not one you want to miss. To learn more about this company, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.